Unveiled at the Geneva Salon in 2010, the exclusive, limited production UB10 edition Aston Martin DBS was created to honour the renowned Dr Ulrich Bez's 10 years of tenure. Renowned for his engineering background and visionary leadership, the UB10 edition is a fitting tribute to Dr Bez's discerning taste and reputation for exceptional detail. Finished in Azurite Black with metallic bronze hides and Cryptic Titan facia panels, the unique UB10 edition DBS Volante was limited to just 20 units, of which this is number 6. Built and supplied new in 2010 to its first and only owner, the car has covered 8,000 miles and been serviced by Aston Martin from new. Complete with all its original and unique specifications, including UB10 inscriptions, fitted luggage, and its original umbrella. This striking car is believed to be one of 13 Volantes actually built, of which only 3 were produced for the UK market. The UB10 DBS Volante is both sumptuously finished and exceptionally rare, and on view now at our Hertfordshire showrooms.